Hi, sixth graders. My name is Mrs. Yee, and I teach the seventh grade computers class in D1. If you get to have me as your teacher, I'm very excited. I also teach seventh grade language arts, so you might get me for that class or both of those classes. And I teach an eighth grade computers class as well. So if you get to have computers, we do a variety of things on the computer. You definitely need to bring your computer each and every day. I have all of my assignments in Google Classroom. We get to do 3D printing. We practice our keyboarding skills. Of course, we use Google Docs for some of our assignments. We have an assignment where you get to create your own survey and send it to the class. We do a project on internet research, which will include slides and effective presentations. And then we end our quarter with some coding. And my preferred website for that for this class is Scratch. So hope to see you next year.